Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tecno. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of the iQOO 9 SE device. Yes friends, finally I did receive the iQOO 9 SE device. I'll try to explain you why it took long time for the delivery of this device as well, all the things related to these delivery problems. And next thing, please let me know in the comment section below what are the videos you want me to upload on the iQOO 9 SE first. So I'll try to concentrate for the next 1 or 2 days on the iQOO 9 SE as soon as possible. I'll try to upload the videos and I'll try to concentrate on the heating problems. That's why main priority will be there on the heating. So don't worry, I'll try to cover all the videos in my channel. So let's get started friends without wasting any time, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow the playlist. Always click the playlist of the iQOO 9 SE for latest information on this device, and use my links in the description to buy the iQOO 9 SE and to support my channel as well. And let's get started with the initial unboxing experience. So let's get started with the unboxing experience of this iQOO 9 SE device, and I need to show you what's going on with the delivery issues with the iQOO 9 SE and why it's been so late for the delivery of my iQOO 9 SE as well. And this is the quick order summary, as you can clearly see friends. And this is my hometown address, you can clearly see, and this is the Hyderabad address. So in the Hyderabad, it did deliver in the 1 day of delivery time, so that's the reason I did travel to the Hyderabad, so I was unable to upload the videos on the iQOO 9 SE as soon as possible. But don't worry, I'll try to concentrate for the next 1 or 2 days much on this iQOO 9 SE device. And let's do the unboxing of this device as well. And this is the iQOO 9 SE. I did order for about 30,990 rupees after using the 3,000 rupees discount coupon from the ICICI credit card. And let's do the unwrap of this one. And please let me know in the comment section below friends what are the videos you want me to upload on this iQOO 9 SE device. So there's a monster inside and there's a monster outside, so which is waiting eagerly to compete with the iQOO 9 SE device as well, which is iQOO 7. So definitely I like to concentrate comparing with the iQOO 9 SE versus iQOO 7 device. So stay tuned for those videos friends, so don't worry. And here's a quick look at the phone and everything. And yesterday night I did travel to the Hyderabad to pick up this device, and today morning again I was back to my hometown. So that's the reason I was unable to upload the videos friends. Sorry for the delay. So as I mentioned, and so even right now I did not even get fresh up, or I did not even have my lunch. So I thought of uploading the videos and testing out this device. So we do have the case, and along with that 3.5mm jack, not bad. I mean Type-C to 3.5mm adapter, and charger is of 66 watts charger, and this is a USB cable. And this is the phone which is the iQOO 9 SE device. So this is the color which variant I did order, because previously I did order another storm blue variant, so now I thought of ordering different color. And inside this, what we got some SIM card pin and warranty and all the slips. Not bad. So this is the complete unboxing experience friends of the iQOO 9 SE device. So as I said, this is just only unboxing experience. The main reason of me uploading this unboxing is that just let you know that I got the iQOO 9 SE device, and can actually comment in the videos asking me what videos to upload on this particular device. So now let's do the unwrapping of this iQOO 9 SE device. So this is iQOO 9 SE. As you can see from this exact variant which I did order right now, iQOO 9 SE device, it looks really premium quality, I would say. Definitely the colors when compared with the normal iQOO 7 color, you can see clearly friends. So let's keep the phone aside, and these are the contents which will be coming in the box. So charger, cable, and there is a screen guard protector as well. I'll try to show you the screen guard protector. Yes, there is screen guard out of the box, so you don't need to worry about that. But definitely I'll try to order the tamper glass as soon as possible, because I can actually use the tamper glass of the iQOO 7 with the iQOO 9 SE as well, because they both are having same kind of display size and screen size, everything. So make sure to let me know in the comment section below friends. That's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick initial unboxing experience only, not the complete review. I'll try to concentrate on the review. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.